Today we're saying thank you to our volunteers. We've come down to the hut, which is the home of our men in sheds and she sheds volunteers and visitors. And we've been visited today by the Lord Lieutenant of South Yorkshire, Dame Hilary. We've got a number of volunteers that are here today that have been volunteering with us for 5, 10, 15 years. So it's really nice just to have an opportunity to say thank you.
It's important in a lot of ways. One thing is just that it's a very nice thing to do. It's social, but also it gives women especially a chance to use machines that they've never come across before and to pick up skills that they've never come across before.
Well, I like being here at Many Sheds because you meet people who are very lonely. They come in and they love to do things and maybe make something simple to take home. But most of all, it's because they want to see people and chat.
This is great for the community because it's easy to get to, but also it's just a nice mix of people that you have as well.
It's my ambition to get a lot more people in here who at the moment don't know it exists, but they want to get out of the house and do something. They can pick up a hobby here. It is absolutely brilliant here. Every penny that goes into it is worth it.